So we stopped on the Samson River Trail, and we're just wandering down here. I'm going to have a look and see if I can show you this tree. But this is quite a big tree. And this is all that's left of it after the fire. So let's take a look. So it's quite far round. I would say it's probably, I don't know, 24 inches round. And you can see how the fire got to it. And there's another stump there. So the fire must have gone pretty wild through this area. And the snow is so deep, so deep. And as you can see across on the mountains, how the fire went through there too and just lit everything up right the way through. So let's head on back down the trail now. So we have a nice bridge that crosses the river here. Along the trail. We'll head on over. And there's the river. And there we have the river trail. So along the Kootenay Highway, there's a trail takes you down to Dog Lake, and there's a building on there. Just come and have a look and see what goes on in here. This is kind of an area where you can have a picnic, build a fire, keep warm. We have a little fire in there. A rest shelter. It's pretty neat.
This window's open.
Yeah. Oh, there must be another entrance around the back, because there's only half of it there. No, it must be for the parkie.
And the toilets on that side.
No, the washrooms are over there.
He was here for.
So off we go down the trail. There were bear signs last time we came, so we avoided it, and we didn't bother walking all the way down to the river. So we'll see what's down here now. Over the bridge. So here we come to the Kootenay River with signs for Dog Lake. So I don't know what's going on here. And here we come to the suspension bridge. This is what I wanted to come down for. So this is the little suspension bridge that crosses the Kootenay River. And we're going to go over and have a look. Fishing and watercraft prohibited. So this is crossing the bridge now. Look how crystal clear that water is. Still has that blue rock flower tint to it, even in winter. Not that I was expecting anything different, but and there we go. All those logs that have come downstream, and we have the mountains up in the background. Oh, and we got another bridge over here. That's the suspension bridge, and let's head on over to the other one, which is just up the trail. So let's head on over this bridge too. That's kind of cool. We have the clouds in the distance. Look at all this wood. Wow, that's come downstream. That's insane. All these logs. Wow. That must be some force when all this melts. Awesome. As Sharon comes across the bridge, that is the view from behind us. So what did you think of that? Did you like the suspension bridge?
I coped. But crampons make me brave.
Yeah, they do. So that was our little hike down to Dog Lake, which wasn't actually a lake. I think if you want to go to the lake, you got to go a little further. But that took us down to the river and suspension bridges, which was a interesting hike. We're heading off into Radium Hot Springs now. Going to find some place to stay there and hang out for a while and explore the town. So we'll see what we get. Radium Hot Springs is like a gem. of it's like going into Austria with the buildings up on the side of the mountains, and they look like chateaus. It's pretty cool. So come along and join us down in Radium Hot Springs. The adventure continues. Did I say like and subscribe? Probably not. But there you go. Like and subscribe.